Hello guys, we are back on today. We are styling a bunch of wigs in store today. This is wig number 527? 507, a 10-inch straight blonde ombre. It has like a number 4 root and then some beautiful blonde tones, and we're just styling this. If you would like any more information on this wig or any of the wigs you see behind me, go to magichaircompany.com and plug in the 3-digit wig number. This is wig number 507 that we're styling. This wigs and hundreds of others are available on our website, or you can of course come shop with us here in our Culver City store. And we do custom coloring on our wigs. We can do highlights, we can do an ombre, we can do your wig blue, brown, purple, gray, green, blue, however you can imagine it. We are your custom glueless, full lace and front lace wig specialist located here in Culver City, California. And don't forget to tune into our 3 p.m. live wig shows here every Friday on Instagram and Facebook at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com. We have lots of full lace, front lace, 360 lace, U-part wigs, and we have our very own hair care product line for maintaining your wigs and extensions. All of that can be found on our website. Our wigs are glueless, so you don't have to glue or sew them down, but you can if you'd like. We're located here in Culver City, California. We are open Wednesday through Saturday. We are currently taking in-store appointments, but we're not doing any installations, but our wigs are glueless, so you don't really need an installation appointment unless you want to glue down your wig, which is completely optional. We do have free domestic shipping. We do have in-store pickup available, and international shipping is available as well. We do free styling, so if you want curls or bangs or layers into your wig, we'll gladly do that for you. And what else? We do custom coloring here, so if you want us to color your wig, we can do that as well. Once again, if you're just tuning in, this is wig number 507, a 10-inch blonde ombre. We're almost done with this one? Yeah, and so we're almost done, and we're just showing you how easy it is to style our beautiful hair. All of our wigs are 100% human hair. We don't have any synthetic hair. Our wigs will last you for years to come. They have a natural hairline with baby hair around that perimeter. And oh, I was going to go live with you, but your live request went away. But yeah, so yeah, this is wig number 507. We just styled it real quick and added some quick curls. And shop with us at magichaircompany.com for all the best glueless, full lace, and front lace wigs. We are Magic Hair Company, where we are changing lives one custom wig at a time. Bye guys.